Wake up early. Waking up early gives you a head start. It helps you plan your day and work calmly without rush. Early mornings are peaceful and perfect for focusing on your goals. Set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve. Write down your goals every day. When your goals are clear, it is easier to stay motivated and take steps to reach them. Exercise regularly. Exercise keeps your body healthy and your mind fresh. Even a small walk or simple stretching every day can improve your energy and mood. Read daily. Reading helps you learn new things and grow your knowledge. Spend at least 15 minutes a day reading books, articles, or anything that interests you. Practice gratitude. Be thankful for what you have. Every day, think about 3 things you are grateful for. This habit makes you happier and more positive. Plan your day. Take a few minutes every morning to plan your tasks. Writing a to-do list helps you stay organized and finish your work on time. Avoid negative people. Stay away from people who bring you down or waste your time. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who help you grow. Start practicing these habits one by one. Change does not happen overnight, but with small steps every day, your life will improve. Make these habits part of your routine and watch yourself grow stronger, happier, and more successful.